So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HPCL share. So this particular stock, many people had questions related to the technical analysis. So we'll try to find out what are the major targets that we can observe in the midterm followed by long term as well. So we know especially all the OMC companies, that is oil manufacturing companies, have showed some very good positive uptrend. So one of the stock is HPCL. So current price is more than 315 rupees, and in the last, if we see 1 month itself, it has given a very good upside movement. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so if we try to observe the day-to-day wise deliveries in that is HPCL, you will see on 6th October 49% deliveries were present, and the stock has corrected around 0.9%. And the rest of the days you can see a very good upside movement was present. On 5th October we have seen 4%, and 4th October also we have seen 1.3% positive movement. So we know oil prices are hitting all-time high, crude, everything is going in a very increasing in a very huge manner. So the rise of inflation, so this particular topic was also in radar since the last few weeks. So all the companies, especially the PSUs, have given some very good rally. So HPCL is also fundamentally very strong stock, and in long term also you can expect multi-bagger returns. So in monthly chart, weekly chart, daily charts, and all the time frames, the stock has given some wonderful breakouts. So we'll discuss each and everything in detail. Okay, so first let us try to discuss about HPCL in 1 month time frame. So current price you can see 319.50, and the stock was completely traveling in a range. So this is monthly chart. I'm talking about monthly chart. So in monthly chart the stock was completely in a range. So now the stock is going to give a breakout in monthly chart time frame, so which is going to be a huge movement in the coming months as well. So the next whatever the weeks we are going to see, so this particular level, what is that particular level is the first question. So that particular level is going to be 325 followed by 330. So if it crosses that particular level, as usual the volumes are also pretty good, deliveries are also increasing on regular basis, so we can expect the stock to go above 350 also. So this is for midterm. So since all the oil companies are also in a positive trend, so make sure if you're interested, keep this particular stock also in radar. Money flow index is in 70, and it is also in a very good upside direction. Okay, so next if we try to discuss in weekly chart time frame, so you can see today the stock has gone near the 320, but it has faced a little bit of resistance, and again it has come back. So as I told, if it crosses 320, 325, so this particular range is going to be very important. So make sure, as I told, keep in watch list if you're interested. So nothing to worry, it's a large cap, fundamentals are good, some reason is present for the stock to go in the upside direction. So when all factors are in favor of this particular stock, you can go for swing, and even you can take for long as well. Okay, so when it has crossed the 200 exponential moving average, which was near the 292 rupees level. Okay, so again it has come to retest the 320. So okay, so make sure you're watching that region very carefully. So money flow index has given a very good retracement from almost down region. It has come to the 59 region, so which is also in a very good upside direction. So this is in weekly chart. So quickly let us wind up with daily chart. Okay, so in daily chart clearly the stock was forming inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so this was the particular neckline the company was facing, so it was around 290 rupees. So after giving a breakout, basically inverted head and shoulder pattern, target would be, so this particular range. So comfortably 310 was the target, 310, 315. So it has achieved that. So now again still, because as I told, a strong reason is present for the OMCs to go in the upside direction. So still that particular positive trend is being continued by the stock. So still I can say it is bullish, and near-term targets would be 350 plus, and if you're interested, do keep this stock in radar. So any other queries you can ask in the comment section. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.